Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I am Auni Asilah binti Mustafa from AQU307 and in this video I am going to present about current issues in ornamental fish culture. Before I start on the topic, let me tell you a little about ornamental fish. Ornamental fishes are beautiful fishes with calm nature, which are kept as pets in an aquarium for the purpose of enjoying their attractiveness. Commonly, the ornamental fishes are chosen based on their body color that are striking, body shape that are considered as unique compared to food fishes, and their suitability to live in confined space such as aquarium. The hobby for keeping ornamental fish became popular since it can bring pleasure for both young and elderly individuals who are drawn to the colors, forms, and swimming movements displayed by fish. It is also believed that the swimming movement of the fish might assist to relieve tension by bringing mental calmness. Ornamental aquaculture is a developing industry that will become increasingly significant as limitations on gathering species from the wild environment are imposed. Due to that reason, concerns posed by this industry, particularly in terms of environmental and social issues, must be addressed. Issues related to ornamental fish industry. Number 1. Infectious diseases. While ornamental fish output is increasing, infectious illnesses are on the rise, resulting in high fish mortality and severe financial loss in aquaculture. The ornamental fish business has a major bacterial illness problem. Aromonas hydrophila is the most prominent bacteria identified from unhealthy freshwater ornamental fish from an aquarium store according to bacterial species surveillance. It is found in water column and bottom sediment of fish farms, culture tanks, and aquaculture habitats. Another issue that needs to be addressed is problems in supply of ornamental fish. Because of inconsistent climatic conditions and weather patterns, certain species are unavailable at certain times of the year. Overexploitation of a specific population of a species, harmful fishing practices, and death caused by poor handling and quarantine processes might also result in a supply shortage. The third issue is over-intensification of fish breeding. Genetically weak fish stock is tossed into rivers, where it may interbreed with wild species, potentially having a harmful genetic influence on wild populations. This resulted in major issues, for instance, disease susceptibility and low brood stock quality. These issues indirectly affect the trade of ornamental fish between countries. Number 4 issues is antibiotic resistance. Antibiotics are commonly given even if they have not shown any signs of sickness. For example, when fish are stressed prior to transit. Antibiotic resistance has caused treatments for fish illnesses to be ineffective when they are needed, exposing humans to antibiotic-resistant bacteria in the process. Here are some suggestions to solve the problems. Number 1. Prevent diseases through proper aquaculture management. Number 2. Protect more areas to reduce the depletion of fish stock. Number 3. Monitor aquaculture activities to ensure it follows the rules and regulations. Number 4. Train and educate employees for proper fish management. Number 5. Responsible agencies should have a mechanism to create more systematic planning to help entrepreneurs. And lastly, aquacultures must have access to safe and effective chemicals that are regulated by the government and utilize them with the best management practices. And that is all for my presentation of the current issues and concerns for ornamental fish culture. To summarize, the ornamental fish business is growing in importance since it has an impact on our economic stability as well as the ability of culturists to culture the species. When aquaculturists suffer significant economic losses, this situation demands prompt disease management, preventive and treatment efforts. To prevent the high mortality rate among ornamental fish, before starting a business, fish farmers should get a professional training in managing fish condition. Thus, they can prevent losses of fish due to diseases and mortality by doing the right precautionary management. As a result, all of the concerns and obstacles that the aquaculture sectors had experienced could be successfully addressed with effective communication and proper knowledge.